Number for today. This morning, I woke up at exactly 3 minutes to 6. Well, 3 and 6 is 9. Today is the 9th day of the 9th month under the 9th sign, Sagittarius. You know? Anyway, I got bus number 9. It took me exactly 9 minutes to walk here. And best of all, if this doesn't spell good luck, I don't know what does. This is my 9th day out of work. It's a good thing for me everything didn't add up to 11, because in 11, 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 is definitely my unlucky number for today. I learned all this out of this book, Numerology. You probably know all that anyway. I had a hunch you would. So you're new here, aren't you? What kind of work do you do? Well, I've always wanted to do that sort of thing, but I just wasn't cut out for it.
Mrs. Foster's Employment Agency. Anson Foster speaking.
James L. Hackleberry and Company. Rodney Horn here.
What can I do for you, Mr. Horn?
Well, I need a telephone secretary. Today, if possible. The last one, a lovely girl. I mean, she was really lovely, but she had to leave rather suddenly.
Well, what are the requirements, Mr. Horn?
Well, the most important part of the job is answering the phone. She must have a melodious voice.
Mm-hmm. James L. Hackleberry and Company. Telephone secretary to answer phone must have melodious voice.
Hello?
Of course, there's no objection if she's attractive, none at all. As long as she greets people well and has a pleasing personality. I don't mind if she's attractive, you know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean, Mr. Horn. As a matter of fact, I happen to be looking at just what you're looking for. Well, I'll send her over immediately. Oh, and thanks for calling, Mr. Horn.
Hello?
Now, here is a job for a real foster girl.
Hello?
How do you do? I don't believe we've met. I'm Anson Foster.
Glad to meet you, Mr. Foster. I'm Debbie Lamond.
James L. Hackleberry and Company on, please.
11th. Why can't some people look at the board?
11? It can't be.
Well, that's where it's been for the last 23 years. Here's your floor, lady.
2 is my unlucky number for today.
Well, what's that got to do with the 11th floor?
1 and 1 is 2, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are.
What do you mean, there I am? Here you are. Now, do you want to get out or not?
No. Just keep going. 9 is my lucky number for today, you know? Oh, hold it!
Now what?
Take me down, please. Oh, wait. No, up. No, down.
Oh, lady, wait. Will you please make up your mind?
I got it. Take me to the 27th floor. I'll walk down.
All right.
See, I'll walk down 17 floors. No, wait a minute. I'm off on my arithmetic. I'll walk down 16 floors. 1 and 6 is 7. That will get me to the 11th floor. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 7 is 9. 9 is my lucky number. Thank you for being so understanding.
And we have transferred 200 shares of Simplex Gears to your account as instructed. Very truly yours, Rodney Horn. Come in. Who are you?
I'm Grindl. I'm the new telephone secretary. Hello?
Oh, there must be some mistake.
Is this James L. Hackleberry and Company? You, Mr. Horn?
Yes, I am, but, well, there must be some mistake.
Good morning, darling.
What are you doing here?
Oh, I just stopped by to see what kind of a girl you hired this time. Oh, are you the new telephone secretary?
Oh, I thought so, but Mr. Horn said there was some mistake.
Mistake? What kind of mistake, Rodney?
Now, look here, Margaret. Just because James L. Hackleberry happens to be your father, and just because he happens to be my employer, there is no reason...
Yes, Rodney?
There's no reason for you not to meet my new telephone secretary, Miss, Grindl.
Oh, it's Grindl.
Oh, and I'd like you to meet my wife, Mrs. Horn.
Well, I'm delighted to know you. Now, you look like a very efficient girl. Oh, not like the last one. She wasn't here very long, was she, Rodney?
She wasn't right for the job?
Well, Mr. Horn thought she was, but I found her a bit too, However, you're not that way at all.
Thank you.
Now, maybe you can concentrate on business and show Daddy that wonderful brain of yours I've been lying to him about. All right, darling?
Yes, sweetheart.
She's nice.
Yeah, I'm a lucky man. I owe this girl everything. Her father put me in this job. I got a nice home, a swell job, breakfast and bed every morning.
She serves you breakfast in bed?
No, I serve her. Come on, I'll show you what to do.
Hello? Hello.
What's that for?
Oh, just practicing. Oh, my. This is lovely. Where's the phone I'm supposed to answer? Which one is mine?
All of them. When the phone rings, you answer it and take the order.
What if more than one phone rings at a time?
That's very simple. You answer them.
Oh, of course.
Now, these are the order blanks. Just write the order down on this blank. Name of customer, name of stock, and how many shares.
What's this, sir?
That's the pink sheet. It's a list of every stock with the latest prices. We get them every day.
Ooh. Ooh, all those numbers.
This is a direct line to the exchange.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Grindl is...
9. Mohawk Motors. Open at 9, closed at 9. Say, that would be a good stop for today.
Grindl, as I was saying, this is a direct line to the exchange. As soon as you get an order, phone it in on this line right away. Hello, Mac? Rodney Horn. Rodney Horn? Horn. Hackleberry's son-in-law. No. Well, no, I was just testing. Yes. Everything is A-OK. You think you can handle the job?
I'm positive, sir. Ooh, my first call.
No, this one.
Hello? James L. Hackleberry and Company. Gordon Cross. 200 shares of Interpape. What's Interpape?
International paper.
Oh, what? Mr. Cross, are you sure you wouldn't bother buy some Mohawk Motors? This is a very good day for Mohawk Motors. Interpape. Hello, Mac. Gordon Cross. 200 shares, Interpape. Thank you. All right, sir.
Grindl, when a customer wants to place an order, don't try to tout him on something else.
But Mohawk Motors is a
I
very
know
good
all
start.
about Mohawk Motors. According to the survey, it's a dog. It's going nowhere.
Mr. Horn.
Now, Grindl, it's...
Oh, Rodney.
Good morning, Dad.
Mr. Hackleberry to you. You are in this family on a pass, and don't you forget that. Who was that?
Well, that's Grindl, my new telephone secretary.
Oh. Well, you're not like the usual kind I find in here.
That last floozy you hired looked like something you picked up in Strip City.
Oh, something I picked up in Strip City. That's wonderful. You do come up with some good ones, Dad.
Mr. Hackleberry, and keep your bony paws off me. Now, I'm going down to look at the big board. You better come along. Maybe you'll learn something.
Oh, I'd love to. Who could help but learn something with James L. Hackleberry as his mentor? A man beloved, a man respected by...
Shut off the hot air. We have work to do.
Grindl, get your pencil ready. This is always our busiest hour.
Hello? 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 Oh, sorry, Mac. Hello? James L. Hackleberry and Company. Oh, it's you again, Mr. Krause. What can I do for you this time? Oops. Just a minute. Hello? James L. Hackleberry and Company. Myron Miller. Will you hold on just a moment, Mr. Miller? James L. Hackleberry and Company. Just a moment, please. No. Hello? James L. Hackleberry and Company. Just a moment, please. Hello? James L. Hackleberry and Company. Just a moment, please. Be right with you, Mr. Krause. Not Mr. Krause. Mr. Colby? Just hold on a minute, Mr. Colby, please. Thank you. I am sorry to have kept you waiting, Mr. Krause. Mr. Miller? Say, have you seen Mr. Krause? I seem to have lost him. Oh, well, don't worry. I'll find him someplace. Just hold on, please. Hello? Miller, Cross and Company. James L. Hackleberry and Company. Edward C. Farnham. I'll put you right behind Mr. Colby. Hold on just a moment, please. Thank you. Hello? James L. Hackleberry and Company. Just a moment, please. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting, Mr. Miller. Oh, it's Mr. Farnham. I thought you were talking to Mr. Colby. Oh, just a minute, please. Mr. Colby? Oh, Mr. Colby, would you mind talking to Mr. Farnham while I find Mr. Krause? I know he's around here somewhere. Mr. Farnham, Mr. Colby. Mr. Krause. Miss Krause.
Grindl! Grindl, what happened?
The phone rang.
The phone rang?
They all rang. Thank you, sir.
Where are the orders?
There they are, sir.
Miller, Mohawk Motors. Colby, Mohawk Motors. O'Neill, Mohawk Motors. Farnham. Did everybody order Mohawk Motors?
Well, not exactly.
Not exactly. What do you mean, not exactly?
Well, you see, when the phones all started to ring, everybody got so confused. They didn't know what they wanted. Mr. Colby thought he was Mr. Farnham, and Mr. Farnham thought he was Mr. Miller, and we never did find Mr. Krause, so I just bought Mohawk Motors for all of them.
You did what?
Well, it's the only stock that's worth anything today. It's number 9 on the pink sheet. It opened at 9. 9 and 9 is 18. 1 and 8 is 9. What more could you possibly ask for?
I'm ruined. Oh, Mr. Hackleberry will kill me. You realize what you've done? You put our best customers on a crummy thing called Mohawk Motors. A stock that opened at 9 and has dropped to 20. It's gone up to 20.
Probably go up to 27. 2 and 7 is 9, you know.
What's going on up here? Everything on the board is off, except some company called Mohawk Motors.
Grindl, the phone.
Why, it's going up like crazy.
James
And all the buy
Hackleberry.
orders are coming from this office.
I put our best customers onto it.
You?
I've been studying the company's potential, and it gave every indication of becoming a great little moneymaker.
Oh, well, I'll say it is. It opened at 9 and went all the way up to 20.
27.
Oh, for good thinking, my boy. I didn't know you had it in you.
Thanks, Dad.
The name is still Mr. Hackleberry, but the hand can stay. Let's go into the other office.
Grindl, go to lunch.
Thank you, sir. See, tomorrow is the 10th.
Are you working on your selection for today?
Yes, sir.
This has been kind of fun, hasn't it? I mean, taking your selections and seeing how they do.
How have they done?
Well, not bad at all. You know how the market is. You win a little, you lose a little.
Are you all right?
Oh, I'm fine, just fine. I was just kind of curious to see what you decided on.
Oh, I haven't figured it out yet.
Well, you just go right ahead. Don't let me interrupt you. No. Oh, no, I'll get it. You just keep going there. Hello, Rodney Horn.
Hello, son. This is Dad. I'm in Washington at the Mayfair Hotel. I had to leave in a hurry and I just arrived. Say, tell me, have you picked your little goodie for today?
I was just working on it now.
Fine. You call me as soon as you have it, will you? And by the way, Rodney, I was going to keep this as sort of a surprise, but I might as well tell you. I'm paving the way for you to take over our Washington branch.
The Washington branch?
You deserve it, my lad. Now, don't you forget to call me as soon as you come up with today's winner.
I'll call you the moment the moment I figured it out. Goodbye, Dad. Grindl, I'm going to go down and take a look at the big board, and then I'm going to go to my tailor's, and when I come back, we'll see how your selection does.
I'll have it by then.
Oh, good. You're doing a wonderful job.
Hello? James L. Hackleberry and Company.
Hello, Grindl. This is Mrs. Horn. Is my husband there?
No, ma'am.
Would you ask him to pick up Genevieve? That's our French poodle. You see, she's at the pet shop being trimmed, and I'm at the beauty shop being bobbed. Tell her, darling, I hate to be a nuisance, but would he be a dear and pick her up?
Well, I may not see him until after lunch, but I'll write down the message and leave it on his desk. Huh? Bye, Mrs. Horn. Genevieve, pet shop.
Grindl? Jen Pet. General Petrol. Hello, Mac. Rodney Horn here. Yeah, I want you to buy every share of General Petrol you can get your hands on. We'll see if there's any more available. Yeah, I'll hold on.
Sorry I'm late, Mr. Horn. My friend Sergeant McGreevy took me to lunch. And before we could
yes,
sit
Mac?
down...
Yes, Mac? Another 1,000 shares? Well, buy them. Yes, that's right. You just buy. Do you know what you're looking at? You're looking at a man who's cornering the market.
Say, if you got a good one, I have $1.80 I might invest. That is, if you're sure.
What do you mean, if I'm sure? Aren't you sure?
Sure of what?
Sure of the stock that you picked today.
Oh, I haven't picked one yet. You see, my friend Sergeant McGreevy took me to lunch.
Well, of course you did. You left it right here on my desk. Gen Pet. General Petrol.
Oh, no, Mr. Horn. Oh, really? That's a message from your wife. Pick up Genevieve at the pet shop. Gen Pet. You know, like Interpate. I'm certainly catching on to the stock market talk.
A message from my... You mean I bought 10,000 shares of a message from my wife? Whoa!
Good news?
General Petrol dropped 12 points.
Oh, that's a shame.
A shame. Oh, it's the end of everything. This is the first time in my life I was a success. People treated me with respect. My wife even served me breakfast in bed. Now it's all over.
Mr. Horn, try to look on the bright side of things.
The bright side. My life has been bad enough so far. Now it's not even worth living.
Mr. Horn, no matter how bad things are, there's always a solution.
You're right. I'm going to kill myself.
You are going to do no such thing.
Yes, I am. I'm going to kill myself.
Mr. Horn, please be sensible. You are not a failure. So you lost a few $1 million. So what? It's only money. It's certainly no reason to throw yourself out the window. Win a little, lose a little. That's the stock market biz. Excuse me. calling. Yes, he is. Just a moment, please. Mr. Horn. Mr. Horn? Mr. Horn! What in the world are you... Mr. Hackleberry, Mr. Horn seems to have stepped out of his office for just a second. I'll try and get hold of him.
Grindl, let go of my legs.
I hope I can catch him in time. Yes, Mr. Hackleberry, thank you for waiting. I'm sure he'll be back in any second now. Well, why don't... Just a moment, Mr. Hackleberry. Please. According to your charts, this is a very bad day for traveling, especially by air. Mr. Hackleberry, tell him to buy all the general petrol he can. Uh-huh. The government's taken an interest in the company. They're going to give him a couple of big contracts. The stock is going way up. Buy every share he can.
Whatever share there is.
There. Everything turned out just fine, didn't it?
Oh, I've done it again. Oh, let me break the good news to Dad.
Yes, by all means, tell Dad the good news. Mr. Horn, let me in. Let me in.
Hello, Dad. Get ready for the biggest surprise of your life. You know, I've always had a hunch about General Petroleum. And, you know, you're never going to get anywhere unless you take a plunge. And believe you me, I really took a plunge.
Please let me in. Will you let me in?
Well, goodbye, Dad.
Grindl will be back after this message.
Thanks, Edward.
What for, Mr. Horn? Lobby, please.
Bobby. Aren't you getting out, Grindl?
Oh, no. 5 is my unlucky number for today.
But this is the lobby.
And how many letters are there in lobby?
5.
Take me up to the 15th floor. 1 and 5 is 6. 6 is my lucky number for today.
6 just happens to be my unlucky number.
Oh, how do you know that?
How many letters are there in Grindl?
Well, you've been so nice to me. Let this be your day. I'll take my chances.